Okay, so students, there is a small activity of vowel letters. I have some letters. Some are consonant and some are vowels. I have a flower. You find the vowel letters from here and paste at the flower. Acha, which is the first letter of vowel? A. A. Second, E. Third, I. Next, O. The last, U. Look at this. These are not vowels. These are consonants. The vowel are A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 letters of vowels. Which are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. You must make this practice.